Hello, my 10,000 plus subscribers, and even those that are not subscribed yet. Hi. Today I'll be showing you what my film setup looks like. It's minimal, believe me, very, very minimal. But well, it gets the work done. And if any of you feels they could get an inspiration or two from how the place is set up and all that stuff, then good and fine. I know I would have achieved my aim, the aim of this video, if that happens. So where do I begin from? First of all, I film in the sitting room, or what used to be a sitting room. It's not exactly sitting room anymore because this is basically my workspace. It's where I make my wigs, where I do everything that has to do with YouTube. This is where it happens. So yes, I think I should get to work. It's not a talk video. We're not here to talk. So the first thing I'm going to talk about, guys, is this backdrop stand. The backdrop stand can actually go higher and wider than it presently does, but because of the backdrop, which is the white material, it has taken this size. But even with that, the size is still perfect for me. Like, the width fits presently into my camera lens and it gets the work done. That's the main thing you get. So when it comes to this whole backdrop idea thing, what I really love about it is the fact that one can get really flexible with their creativity as a whole. Like how one can really switch up looks. Today I want a black background. All I need to do is just simply change the backdrop to a black material. Tomorrow I want pink, purple, yellow, gray, velvet, whatever the color. Wait, is velvet a color? Whatever the color is I decide that I want, all I need to do is simply change the material. This material I have, I'm very satisfied with it, and it's really affordable. I can't remember the name, but I'm going to look for the name and put it on the screen. But if you're in Nigerian, you know what we call akwoche. It's similar to akwoche, or it's even akwoche itself, one of them. So yes, that is that for the whole backdrop thing. If I feel I want to switch up the look, I could hang some things or put some things around to help with the aesthetics feel and all that stuff. And next we'll be looking at my beautiful spin around chair. When I sit on this chair, I feel like a boss. You won't blame me, honestly. Just and my work table. Okay, there isn't much that goes on this work table because, as you guys know already, I don't really do makeup tutorials. I focus more on my wig tutorials. So after I have done my makeup in the room, I just bring the brushes and the powder and whatever it is I feel I might need to touch up as I'm sampling the wig I'm sampling. So these things are just there for when I need to touch up one or two things. The brushes, the powder palette, the hair gels. You guys already know my famous Petals hair gel. Eco Styling is still there as well, but it's okay. I'm not even going to compare the two. They both have their purpose. They really do, actually, finally. And yes, this is my Vaseline. I use Vaseline, so don't wonder so much what the Vaseline is doing here. I don't use body cream. I use Vaseline. And especially now the weather is dry, now we're in Harmattan season, I need to really take care of my skin, you get. And most especially because of the goodbye kisses I give you guys. I don't fix my nails here. I don't fix my nails, so I need to make sure when I'm blowing you guys that goodbye kiss, my skin is looking as flawless as ever. Yup. And for after I'm done shooting, for editing, should I talk about this now or last? I think I should talk about it last. Okay, here we are, my famous mannequin. Man, if this mannequin could talk, I'll most likely end up in jail, guys. Are you seeing the number of holes? Anyways, here is my mannequin. If there's anything I don't like about the mannequin, is the fact that it's really hard in the center. It's made up of plastic, so the center part is really hard. If I had known, I would have gotten the mannequin that is made up of rubber. That one is really easy to have your pins go through, but with this one, it's only easy at the front or behind, at the back. Otherwise, when it comes to the center, I have to use something to hit the tipping in. I'm sure you guys have probably seen a video or two of mine where I was using a brush to hit the tipping in. It's really crazy. It's annoying. It's frustrating. But well, it's what I have, and it's what I'm going to make use of. You know, like I always preach, make do with what you have. Do not wait till you have the perfect whatever it is before you start doing something. Whatever it is you have, just make do with it, and hopefully with time you definitely get to add more, you definitely get to upgrade and things like that. So long as you are consistent and you continue to do what it is you're doing, you know, success will definitely find its way to you, and then you'll be able to afford whatever it is you're dreaming of to afford. Next, we have the lights. I get to use artificial light like almost the same number of time I use natural light. Yes, I won't say most of the time, because sometimes I'm just so lazy during the day, and rather than procrastinate till the next day, I'll be like, okay, at night I'm going to use artificial light to film and all that stuff. Other times I use natural light, but even when I'm using natural light, I still use artificial light because I feel it kind of enhances the natural light. And for this natural light, guys, what am I saying? For the artificial lights, these two softbox lights, I am thinking of giving them up for a giveaway, Christmas giveaway, but I'm not sure yet because I don't know how many. I don't really know, you know, what the engagement is going to be like. If you guys can convince me that there would be good engagement, like, you know, you guys will really want to try and win the softbox lights, then I'm going to put them up for giveaway. If not, I'll just sell them, and I'll probably do the same for the backdrop stand as well. Of course, as I'm giving away the backdrop stand, the material will go with it. The clamps or the clips or whatever it is they are called will go with it. Do not ask me why I'm trying to give these things away. Hey, can't a girl just be kind-hearted? Yeah. And as you guys can see, everything I want to use for a possible giveaway is still in good shape and still very functional. So for my camera, I use Canon EOS 750D. It's kind of blurry, but I hope you guys can see it. And after filming, I edit with my MacBook Air, and I use Final Cut Pro. I use Final Cut Pro to edit. Presently, I even have a video I'm trying to finish editing. I don't know which is going to come first. This one I am shooting, this filming setup I'm shooting, or the video I'm already editing. But most likely the video I'm already editing should come up first. And if you're using a MacBook, especially a MacBook Air, you know it doesn't really enjoy as much memory space as this Windows laptop. So I have a hard drive here that I use that just makes things really, really easy for me. I equally have my memory card. You know, it's really, really important to have more than one memory card. I have 3 memory cards, and even with the 3 memory cards itself, a hard drive is still important because, you know, depending on what you're shooting, sometimes some hair tutorials I shoot can actually take up the whole 3 memory cards, and I'm not even kidding you guys. 32 gig each. That's like in total 96 gig. But believe me, sometimes depending on the tutorial though, because I just like to shoot virtually everything I'm doing, and then during the process of editing I then get to cut off some parts or just really fast forward this, but I just want to shoot everything so I don't finish filming and I start feeling, oh, I should have shot this part, this and that and stuff like that. So I think at this point, guys, I can say I'm done with showing you what my film setup looks like. This is supposed to be a sitting room that I have converted to my workspace. It used to be my family house, but presently it's just me. So of course I have to make the most use of the space I have. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. You know, I'll be really excited to hear from you guys, especially concerning the giveaway. Unless you are not interested in the giveaway, then I'll sell my thing, and well, that's that. But if I can get impressive number of comments, likes and things like that, then this baby is here. For now, minus the ring light. Who knows, I might even add the ring light as well, or I might just do them different giveaways so everything doesn't just go at the same time. So if you guys can convince me enough, they will be up for Christmas giveaway, and someone's going to have people, not someone. People are going to, because of course I'm not going to give everything to one person. No, it's up to you guys. Let me know. No. So that's that, guys. Till next time, stay blessed, stay out of trouble, and as always, I love you all. Bye bye.
White lies blur